Have you ever wondered whether a chatbot and ChatGPT are actually the same thing? They both appear as friendly, conversational assistants ready to answer questions and guide users through tasks. But once you look closer, the differences start to matter. I'm Sissy with Noupe, and in this video, we will break down the real differences between traditional chatbots and ChatGPT. We will look at how each technology works, where they perform best, and how businesses can decide which one fits their needs. By the end, you will understand when to use structured automation and when generative AI makes more sense. Let's jump right in. Chatbots and ChatGPT often get confused because they present themselves in very similar ways. Both interact through text or voice, and both are designed to answer questions, guide users through steps, and provide support. At first glance, they can look interchangeable, especially when the experience simply feels like chatting with a helpful assistant. For businesses and decision makers, however, the choice between them has deeper implications. The technology you choose influences customer experience, operational efficiency, and long-term costs. Even though both systems automate conversations, they differ in how they handle complexity, personalization, and reasoning. Understanding those differences helps organizations avoid mistakes and unlock the most value from conversational technology. Most traditional chatbots are built for structured tasks and rely on predefined logic instead of generative intelligence. That makes chatbots especially useful for automating repetitive support requests, guiding customers through workflows, or answering common questions quickly. Within this category, there are several types of chatbots. Rule-based chatbots are the simplest form and operate on straightforward if-then logic. They work well for frequently asked questions or predictable interactions where the user input matches predefined patterns. AI-driven chatbots add machine learning so they can better recognize intent and respond to a wider range of requests. The newest category is generative chatbots, which combine large language models with conversational design to produce more flexible and human-like responses. ChatGPT takes a very different approach. It is a generative AI model developed by OpenAI and built on the GPT architecture. Instead of following fixed rules or scripted responses, it generates answers in real time based on the context of the conversation. The ChatGPT system relies on large language models and a technology called transformers to interpret text and produce meaningful replies. Because it understands context across multiple messages, conversations often feel more natural and fluid. ChatGPT can perform many different tasks. It can answer detailed questions, summarize information, explain complex ideas clearly, write marketing copy, and even work through problems step by step. This flexibility makes it especially valuable for work that requires creativity, adaptability, and deeper reasoning. These architectural differences lead to several important contrasts. The first difference is their adaptability. Chatbots are strongest when the workflow is fixed and predictable. The next difference is the data foundation. Chatbots depend on business-specific scripts or smaller datasets, whereas ChatGPT works differently because it is trained on vast amounts of text and can also be fine-tuned with specialized information. The last difference is consistency versus creativity. Chatbots are designed to produce consistent answers every time, whereas ChatGPT adapts responses to context and generates creative solutions. Another way to understand the difference is through reasoning levels, often described on a scale from O0 to O5+. At the lowest levels, simple rule-based chatbots recognize patterns and return predefined results. A basic example might be when a customer types "track my order," and the system retrieves the tracking number automatically. Slightly more advanced chatbots can recognize variations of a question and still provide the correct information. ChatGPT-level systems operate at higher reasoning levels where they can analyze data, compare options, and maintain context throughout a conversation. At the highest levels, they can generate strategies, simulations, and creative recommendations for complex challenges. Choosing the right conversational technology ultimately depends on business goals, task complexity, and available budget. Traditional chatbots are usually the best option for structured and repetitive interactions. They are affordable, easier to control, and especially valuable in environments where compliance and consistency are essential. Many companies use chatbots for customer support questions such as returns, shipping updates, or simple troubleshooting. They are also effective for scheduling appointments, managing reservations, or guiding users through straightforward workflows. Industries like banking and insurance often rely on these systems because strict scripts help maintain regulatory compliance. ChatGPT and other generative AI tools shine in very different situations. They are well suited for dynamic conversations that require adaptability and personalization, such as interactive customer engagement and personalized recommendations. Businesses can use them for marketing ideas and content creation, as well as internal support. Some factors to consider include cost and maintenance. Traditional chatbots tend to have predictable costs, while generative AI requires more computing resources and monitoring. ChatGPT also handles user complexity better. For organizations looking for a simple way to add AI-powered conversations to a website, Noupe focuses on making the process fast and accessible. Instead of complicated setups or long training periods, the platform automatically learns from your existing website content. With a single line of code, your site gains an AI assistant that can answer questions and help visitors in real time. Getting started is designed to be straightforward. First, you obtain an embed code by entering your website address, allowing the system to analyze your pages and understand your business, products, and services. Next, you copy and paste that code into your site without needing technical integrations. Once it's live, the AI chatbot begins interacting with visitors immediately and sends conversations directly to your inbox. Chatbots and ChatGPT are not interchangeable tools. Each solves a different category of problem. Traditional chatbots deliver efficiency and reliability for structured workflows and predictable support requests. ChatGPT-style systems provide flexibility for conversations that require deeper context, creativity, and adaptive reasoning. Many organizations ultimately combine both approaches. A chatbot can handle routine interactions while generative AI manages complex questions or exploratory discussions. This hybrid strategy balances cost, performance, and user experience. The most effective path is to start with clear goals and identify the tasks that matter most to your customers and teams. From there, you can match each use case to the conversational technology that fits best, measure the results, and expand gradually as the value becomes clear. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Noupe. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video about AI tools, automation, and smarter ways to build better digital experiences. See you next time.